Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. ZLL SG908 Max Camera Drone. The SG908 Max drone provides UHD 4K camera with shock absorption holder, enables you to capture UHD pictures. The remote-controlled 360-degree adjustable lens structure allows you to see the world from a greater perspective, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. The high-capacity 7.6-volt 5000 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 30 minutes flight time and charging time 5 to 6 hours. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. This drone equipped with a high-efficiency power motor. It is energy-saving and powerful, always maintains a strong output, and is free to retract. It also waypoint flight mode. It can open the drone app and use flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen. The copter will auto-fly as per the given path. This drone provides GPS intelligent follow system. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Number 4. TYRC-1 Pro Camera Drone. The best value drone on the market in 2022. This drone provides 8K HD dual camera, a brand new self-stabilizing electronic anti-shake platform, which effectively eliminates camera shake and jitter from different angles and improves image quality. 120-degree ultra-wide-angle shooting lens, wide-angle, and large viewing angle provide wonderful network vision. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. It also large capacity 7.4-volt 2200 mAh and flying time up to 25 minutes, high performance battery, and reaching up 1200 meter control distance, giving you a more extensive flight experience. It also high definition real-time image transmission, full control, and viewing of aircraft aerial images through the mobile app, clear image return, allowing you to see the migratory bird's demeanor and record everything easily. This drone can perform stunts like 360-degree flip, combined with trajectory flight, which allows you to draw a flying course on your phone. This drone brings you spectacular flying experiences. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. It also built-in return-to-home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Number 3. Sharefun F11's Pro Drone Camera. The drone 4K UHD camera infused with shock absorption reduces the blurriness, provides you clear and stable image through app. 90-degree adjustable camera with 120-degree FOV lens can widely capture the view in every precious moment. Also supports advantage 5 GHz FPV transmission, up to 20 FPS, which brings a stable and smooth video. This drone provides 3.7-volt 1500 mAh smart battery and flight time up to 25 minutes, charging time 5 to 6 hours. It also durable alloy brushless motors provides a fast, quiet while powerful flight and waypoint flight, point of interest flight, gesture photographing, and the drone will automatically follow and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. The drone GPS positioning mode. It will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of. Never worrying about losing the drone. Number 2. CVENNESS CSF101 Camera Drone. The CSF-101 is a drone with camera for adults that offers a beautiful 4K Ultra HD image with stunning clarity and deep contrast. Its FOV 120-degree lens and 90-degree adjustable camera gives you a clearer and wider view. In addition, the 5 GHz FPV transmission can deliver an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed for each and every flight. This drone provides 2500 mAh battery capacity and 30 minutes battery lifetime. The brushless motors can resist level 8 wind, resulting in a quiet, stable and powerful flying experience. This drone multiple GPS functions such as follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. It also GPS assisted flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. Number 1. Grace Wodi KF102 Drone Camera. This drone's with camera for adults 8K equipped with stable 2-axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 8K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens, with 90-degree adjustable providing a broader vision. Enabled to capture perfect Ultra HD pictures and save to your smartphone directly to memory your favorite moments. The drone provide powerful brushless motor. It can resist 7 level, provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. The package also comes with one extra 7.4 volt 2200 mAh batteries which can provide about 25 minutes flight time in total. This drone provide GPS follow me, point of interest, tap fly, routing planning flight. The FPV drone can shoot stable aerial shots with carrying case. It is much more convenient to carry while traveling. It also GPS positioning and auto return function prevent your drone lose in any situation. The GPS drone will automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal, and low battery.